A blinking power light on your docking station is trying to tell you something important. It typically indicates one of three main problems: power supply issues, connectivity problems, or device recognition failures. The blinking pattern provides important clues about the specific problem. Slow blinking at 1 to 2 Hz often suggests power supply issues or insufficient wattage from your adapter. Fast blinking at 3 Hz or higher usually signals connection problems or device recognition failures. This means your docking station is having trouble communicating with your laptop or connected devices. Modern docking stations often use color-coded blinking to provide even more specific information. Red typically indicates an error condition, amber signals a warning, and blue means the device is negotiating or establishing a connection. To begin troubleshooting, start by documenting the blinking pattern. Note the frequency, color, and duration of the blinking. This information will help you identify the specific issue. Next, check your power adapter specifications against your docking station's requirements. Make sure your adapter provides sufficient wattage. Most modern docking stations require between 65 and 130 watts. Finally, verify all cable connections are secure and ensure your AC outlet is functional. Loose connections are a common cause of blinking power lights and can often be resolved with a simple reconnection. Start troubleshooting with software diagnostics. This systematic approach resolves most docking station power light issues without hardware changes. First, update your docking station firmware. Manufacturers regularly release updates that fix power delivery negotiation issues and USB controller conflicts. Next, check Device Manager for USB controller errors. Expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section and look for warning icons or error messages. Also verify display driver compatibility. Outdated or incompatible display drivers can cause power negotiation failures, especially with multi-monitor setups. If software diagnostics don't resolve the issue, move to hardware isolation testing. This helps identify whether the problem is with the dock, power supply, or connected devices. Hardware isolation involves testing with minimal configurations to identify the root cause of power issues. Start by testing with minimal device configuration. Disconnect all peripherals except essential ones to reduce power load and identify if specific devices are causing conflicts. Try an alternative power adapter if you have a compatible one. Power supply issues account for 60% of docking station problems. Ensure the replacement meets wattage requirements. Test the dock with a different host device if available. This isolates whether the issue is with your laptop's USB or Thunderbolt controller versus the docking station itself. For persistent issues, advanced diagnostics provide deeper insights into power management and thermal conditions. Advanced diagnostics include manufacturer software tools, thermal monitoring, and factory resets when other methods fail. Use manufacturer diagnostic software when available. Many brands like Dell, Lenovo, and CalDigit provide specialized tools that can identify specific power delivery issues and controller conflicts. Most blinking power light issues can be resolved through firmware updates or power supply replacement. Statistics show a 78% success rate with these approaches. To prevent future issues, implement power budget planning for multi-device setups and keep spare certified cables for isolation testing. Following this systematic troubleshooting approach resolves most docking station power issues efficiently, with average resolution times of 15 minutes for software fixes and 45 minutes for hardware replacement.